Hello. Well, this video explains how to screen record with an audio interface on Mac. I will also explain how to record sound playing from an audio editing software. It's a follow-up video to Justin_Tech's video with a very similar title. You can find that video here. You should check that out if you're unsure about the first steps. In his video, Justin shows us how to use Soundflower to reroute our computer's audio output. Justin then uses QuickTime to screen record. His very simple, well-explained video helped me to get quite far in this process. However, Justin was using the audio from his built-in output, as well as his built-in microphone. If you're using an audio interface like I am, there are a couple of easy extra steps to set this up. You can go back to the Audio MIDI setup window, find that in Applications, Utilities. It's explained in Justin's videos, by the way, how to set up these audio devices. So you go back to these two created audio devices, and instead of having built-in microphone selected, you want your audio interface. In Screen Record with Audio, instead of having the built-in output, you want your interface selected there. By doing this, we can use a different microphone for our voice recording. One little side note, while I was setting this up, I changed the clock source and master device to Soundflower. Master device here, I changed it to Soundflower. I did this because I was having some problems setting this up. When I did do this, I started to lose audio quality of my voice recording. It started to distort, as well as creating these spinning sounds like. So the audio was unusable. I panicked and almost gave up. And then I remembered that I had done that. I went back and changed this to my audio interface. And that fixed it. Okay. So the other thing that I wanted to achieve was recording audio playback from my music software. I use Logic Pro X to make music, and I was struggling getting the sound output from Logic recorded at the same time as my screen recording. I realized that I had to go into Logic's preferences, into the audio, and change the output device to screen record with audio. And that's it. Now I can listen back to Logic while explaining my workflow on my external microphone plugged in via my interface. In that way I can do mixing tutorials, production tutorials, mastering, etc. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope that's been helpful. If you like that, click link and subscribe, please. And I'll try to make other helpful tutorials like this. Thank you, guys.